think with weather touches pretty much everything, right? Every industry is sensitive to weather in one way or another, and of course we as individuals are very sensitive to weather. The thing with the developing world is that most communities in the developing world are actually more sensitive to weather than we are, because we're here in the US, because A, they have less physical protection, B, they have less financial protection, so there is less developed insurance products in these countries. Typically their economies are more based on agriculture, and agriculture is more rain-fed. So all of that together is basically saying that these people are much more sensitive to weather, and they get products that are 40, 30 years behind what we have here today. And that, the ability to solve that problem and bringing cutting-edge weather forecasts into developing places and solving emergency alerts, bringing better flood predictions, bringing better data to farmers. This is what keeps us excited. JetBlue is one of our customers, and actually is also an investor. They saw the product and they decided to join the company as an investor. We're serving them in all over their U.S. operations. Many other airlines as well. We can talk about the Patriots actually. That it's a different kind of use case. It's a sports team, but they're also very sensitive to weather. Every rainout decision is millions of dollars. Every game that they know the weather better than their competition, they can benefit from that. So there's just a few examples. So at a very basic level, the way it works is that we first generate better data. We observe the environment better than anyone else. We have millions of new sensing points. With that data, we can now run much more accurate forecasting models. So we have a better prediction of how weather is going to behave in the next hours, next few days. That's the engine. That engine is then feeding different types of applications. So for example, in the aviation, we have a dashboard that's built around operating a hub for a big airline, and it has all the data that if you're operating a hub, that's what you'll need. So you have the flight data there, the ground movements, all the delays, etc. If you're a sports team, you have a tool that is enabling you to send push alerts to the different stakeholders, vendors, etc. through that management system. We also have a consumer app and a mobile app that if you're just someone out there, not part of a big company, you'll still get access to this data. Think about micro forecast, the difference between someone telling you, there's a 40% chance for rain this afternoon over Boston, to someone telling you rain is going to hit your building in 1:37 and at 1:53. That's the difference. Now, how does it impact you? Think of a ride-sharing company. They want to know exactly when demand will peak, where, how many drivers are going to be available, what's going to be the impacts on traffic, right? That's just one example. Or any type of on-demand service, basically. Now, think of another example, energy space. Your demand for energy from the grid is very, very sensitive to your very micro level weather. If it's hotter or colder around your block, you'll consume less energy than the other block. Knowing that data down to that resolution enables now the utilities and the grid operators to optimize even better and save millions.